Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create hair clips image effects on Higgsfield AI. So all you have to do is to go to this website I found, higgsfield.ai, which allows you to create mind-blowing visual effects and video effects for your images and video as well. So all you have to do is to sign in or log into the account, click on Higgsfield so area, then click on the hair clips section. You'll be brought to a page like this where you get to actually see samples of hair clip images we created in this format. So all you have to do is to look for an image that speaks to you, or if none of them speak to you, you can go on here to actually generate a new prompt for your image. But you can just click on any of them and go on to, let me assume I want, okay, let's assume I want to create that. All you have to do is to click on it, click on recreate, and you'll be brought to a page where you can actually see the prompt used to create that particular image and modify it to make it yours, and then actually generate. So once the image is generated, you can see all the former images I've created, so you can make it into a video or add speech to it here. So once you do that, you can now download it to your PC and use it for your projects. So that's it guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel as we are actively trying to grow. Thank you very much and do have a great day guys.